How to remove a 21 days PayPal hold. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. So I just woke up and found that that my PayPal has a hold for up to 21 days, and a client just sent me cash. So I'll take you one-on-one on how to resolve it. So it gives me a place to know my options, to know the why. I can see a total hold of $47.5. Future payment from sales will be held until you complete the steps below. So I'm told that these are the steps that I should proceed with, so that once I proceed with these steps, my PayPal will the 21 days hold will be removed. Why we hold payments for 21 days? Keeping buyers and sellers safe in this part is the part what makes us PayPal. When we are new and haven't sold in a while, we hold up to 21 days so that we can verify your identity and monitor your sales. Simple ways to get your future funds. Complete all the following. Complete all. I'm supposed to complete all these steps. Increase your sales. Receive 4 or more payments from sales. So I'm also told to receive $152.5 from sale. Avoid disputes for the next 60 or more days. So that is the way to remove the simple ways to get your future funds, so that in future that my transactions will not be keep being held. So I know the issue. I came and confirmed that my PayPal had been verified. This is a transaction. It has been sent by 31st March, but the cash will be available on 21st April 2023. That is 21 days. 21 days hold. So I came here and tried to check what the issue would be. So once I came to my PayPal, I saw that I had a notification that I had been ignoring. It tells me confirm your debit, debit or credit to complete the verification. Remove the preset limit on your account. Verify your card. I'm just supposed to verify my card, and my PayPal limit will be out. So they tell me for I to ensure that my PayPal limit for 21 days has been removed, I need to ensure that here is what you can do to help you get your futures in fun. Confirm your account information. Add and verify your bank account, debit or credit card. Process 5 transactions and receive a total of $200 in sales. Avoid disputes for 60 days by communicating clearly with customers and writing a detailed product description. A detailed product description is quite important. So it tells me to take action. So the action that I will take, I'll come here and I see I had an attached card. What I'll do, I'll come and add and verify your bank account or debit card to confirm your account information. So I'll come here, I'll be able to click it, I'll log in the details, link the card and see what next. So as we can see, I've just linked my Visa card and it says it's done. After it says it's done, I will go ahead. I say you have a hold of 47.5. See what is on hold, and I'm sure now the limit should be away. Since I've verified, I've pursued this step where I saw that the action that I was to take, I was supposed to confirm your account information, add and verify your bank account details, stroke credit card. So I think let me refresh the browser. Mind you, my PayPal was verified. I had gone to the last time that I saw, I had chat with support. They had confirmed that the PayPal was verified. So be knowing sometimes your PayPal will be verified, and I see some hours ago I had come and told them kindly confirm if my PayPal is verified. A live support came and said, hello, thank you. The live support is called Raven. Thank you for contacting PayPal. My name is Raven. I'm happy to assist you. I can confirm that to you that your PayPal is 100% verified. Now I came and asked them, thank you for confirming that my PayPal is verified and ready. How comes that after receiving the 50 USD on this transaction, you put my cash on hold for 21 days? Kindly remove the 21 days on hold. But I came and I was able to solve that. So I think once I refresh the browser, the cash should now be ready, since here there was a notification. There was a notification trying to tell me to verify something, and I've gone through it. So let me get back. So it tells me that I should know my options. Know my options. So the next thing that I should do, I should get the 4-digit codes for this card. Once I get the 4-digit cards, I should be able to come and put them here. Once I put them here, I'm sure my cash will be released. So I'll come link my bank. My bank has already been linked. All I need to do is to confirm that now that this card, I need to come and confirm that this card is now I need to take 4-digit codes, and I come and verify it. So once I get to this payment, I can see it tells me make sure you add your shipping tracking information. For the this is a pending for this payment is pending amount. So I'll come here and add the tracking information. Once I come here, I'll see the order status. It has been either on progress, it has been returned, order processed. It is order processed, because I cannot say shipped, because this was a service that I had delivered. The reason for the payment that this payment was being made is that I had this is my YouTube script writer, and they delivered the task. So tracking number, no tracking number needed, no USP needed, because it is a service. So I can say you have successfully updated the order information. An email will be sent to your customer to inform them of the activity that you provided. Once I do that I'll come and at that point I'll come and confirm that let me confirm that let me reconfirm again that the order has been processed. So it tells me you have successfully updated the shipping information, and you'll get your money within 1 day of delivery. So all that I'm expecting, at least I've removed from you can see it is evident that the limiter is now has been removed from 21 days limit to at least to 1 day of delivery. All that I need is the buyer to confirm. We see that you have successfully updated the order information. An email will be sent to your customer with the information you provided. So I think you have successfully updated the shipping information, and you'll get your money within 1 day of delivery. So I think my tutorial is evidently has achieved its target, because I was supposed to demonstrate how to remove the 21 days PayPal hold, and at least I've removed it. Now as we can see, let us see the email that PayPal has received us. PayPal at the moment, I know they have sent an email to the buyer. They've told them updated them, because the buyer had delivered YouTube script writing for partial payment, and all that I required them is to make the payment. I'm sure that within since it is a service, there will be no need of the tracking details. and I think after 1 day things will be okay. Another way that to confirm, I've come to PayPal live chat, and in the description link you will find a tutorial that educates you how to solve your PayPal or remove a PayPal limit, or to confirm that you verified PayPal account via coming to live chat. So we can see I just attached my new debit card and it was accepted. Kindly go ahead and release the transaction ID. These were $50 that had been held for 21 days. I think now the tutorial says that after 1 day of delivery, once the buyer confirms that the order is processed, I'll be able to get my cash back. Thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you.